for the last time as Seagull-related fish fights. Please welcome them.
Hi, everybody. We're Seagull-related fish fight. I'm Melissa.
Jimmy.
Chris.
John.
Bagley.
Tom.
We're going to do some improv for you. All I need to get started is a word.
Escalator.
Escalator.
You zoom in on a sneaker with the toe ripped off.
It's a fake Converse.
It's a convert.
With a K.
It's a zebra pattern.
The laces are black.
The toe that's ripped off is where the big toe would be.
It's a backward K.
It's got a little loop on the heel to help you pull it on, but it's way too big for its use.
Yeah. You can't see it, but the underside of the shoe is worn almost completely through.
It is 4-star.
You also can't see the underside of the shoe, its shape either, but it's worn through and it looks like one of those Skechers that you used to wear that they said would help shape your butt, but didn't.
But it's a knockoff.
One thing that's hard to notice until you put it on is that there's not the same number of eyelets on both sides.
What's also not so conspicuously to the eye. The aglets! Thank you.
Oh, okay.
They're split.
Okay, I got here as fast as I could, as soon as I heard. Where is he?
Shit,
I just heard, guys. I couldn't get here any faster. I took an Uber.
I appreciate it. Yeah. I mean, you have a car, so.
I was too upset to drive.
Totally.
Smart move. I get
Yeah.
Smart
I
move.
can drive. When I drive, I'm going to cry.
I ran.
Oh, God.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, get it, man.
Hello?
Hey, I just heard. I can't make it, but send my love.
Kyle can't make it. He sends his love.
Kyle.
Kyle, we're all here. We send our love back. Sorry you can't make it. Did you try Ubering?
I tried, but then I wanted to switch to Lyft halfway, and I just went home.
Oh, yeah, they're jerks about that.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll keep you posted if we hear anything. We'll let you know as soon as we know.
Yeah.
Okay?
Love.
Love.
Listen, it's totally cool that Kyle's not here because he's a total douchebag.
He's pulling that switch to lift thing and doesn't show up to anything.
Guys,
I meant every love that I just said.
look,
You guys didn't mean all those loves?
Not a one.
No.
Wait, now I'm doubting the loves that I get.
no, ours are real,
Yeah.
legit.
Totally real.
Mostly.
Love.
Guy.
Oh, thanks.
No,
Okay,
it's one thing when it's like we're getting together as like a friends thing, but he got hit by that car, and
Oh.
I feel like you get here for a thing like that.
Yeah. You don't decide whether you're going to use Lyft or Uber.
You just get here.
You don't change your mind halfway.
You just take an Uber.
Yeah.
I mean, it's Kyle's usual.
Or you drive.
Hey, Craig.
Love.
Love.
Hey, sorry. I ran
Me too.
Oh,
the entire way.
You guys don't have Uber?
Oh my God, it's like a mile. It's like an actual mile.
I ran a mile and a quarter, but that's okay.
I'm
I'm
gonna
still.
throw up.
Guys, it's all-
I'm gonna throw up.
Wait.
Hold on.
I'm gonna throw up.
Hello?
Hey, I was thinking about maybe getting a taxi. Are you guys gonna be together for a while, or should I not even?
No, hold on. It's Kyle. Look,
Yeah.
I know. Look, he says he thinks he might be able to take a taxi. Great. Is he gonna bail on us again?
I ran past Kyle's house on the way here.
Yeah.
Just tell them.
Kyle,
The lights
take
on
a
and-
taxi. Take a taxi. Get here. It's really important.
By the way, Kyle, Janice ran the entire way here, right past your
Janice
house.
ran, Kyle.
Look,
Janice ran
I
by
saw
your
her.
house.
That's what inspired me.
What inspired you to call and say you need to take a taxi to get here? I'm sorry.
All right.
Kyle, look, it's
now.
just Jeremy's still
Not a
he
runner.
hasn't come out of the coma yet. We all want to be here when he comes out. Okay, just however we get here, just get here. Okay.
All right.
All right, love.
No, I'm done.
Right.
I'm wasting gloves on someone I don't love.
Agreed.
That's kind of an important word. You don't just throw it around.
Love spent is never wasted.
You know that extra saliva you give
You fucking I didn't understand it.
I'm with Carl. That meant nothing to me.
Oh, wait, so if you're going to spend the time cherishing something and caring for it and loving it, then you haven't wasted time because you loved it. It's better than not loving it.
Call Carl. I'm gonna pay for his cab over
Guys,
here.
look, Janice, what do you think?
What? I can't. My ears are ringing.
Get some water. I just thought of that. Did you bring your
I
inhaler?
ran too fast. I feel like something's happened to my
Like
heart.
you ran here and you have asthma. Like, did you bring your inhaler with you?
No, everything's terrible right now.
I know Kyle's not here.
Like, he doesn't even try to get here. She runs the entire way. She could die. Now I'm gonna be here for Jeremy and
I'm just
Janice.
gonna lay. I'm gonna lay.
Lay down!
Just Janice, just take Janice. Just
Ah.
look, all I'm saying
Oh, what's happening to my thighs?
Janice, keep it down. We're trying to have this conversation.
is, look, not that I want to sidetrack this because this is important, but Janice, you know I go running like 3 days a week. I keep asking if you want to come with me. Maybe
I
this
know
wouldn't
I
be an
don't
issue.
run. I know I don't run.
Just
This is
saying,
really
run.
time
I'm
to
just
ask
asking
guys if we're not running
You
on
tried to
a
jump me
basis.
through!
Calm down. Are you running shaming?
Yeah, you're right.
I had a real good time tonight. I thought it was a great date.
It was a good date. Good date.
Really good. Love spent's never wasted. Okay. That's what mine says. You will meet someone interesting someday. Get that to look forward to.
I don't know. You ever think when we're writing these that they actually inspire anybody?
I think so. I like to keep them inspirational and vague.
I like to keep them mundane and just really easy to apply to your everyday life. Like fortune will favor you eventually.
I got things are probably going to work out.
Yeah, she might be the one.
Mine just says breaded.
Mine just has one of those emojis that are dead, like they're dead. It's I don't get the green with the tongue sticking out.
Oh.
I'm ready to meet someone interesting with you. I thought we were gonna do that together.
I want to be breaded with you. Breaded emoji. Emoji.
Hey man, I gotta tell somebody this. Do you mind? I just need somebody to confide in.
Wait, you want to confide in me of what someone else told you, or you
No,
plan
this
on
is-
telling people what I just told you?
No, I don't know that. I'm just saying this is something from me that I need to kind of get out. And I need someone to tell it to. And I think since you just shared with me, I'd like to.
Oh yeah, come on.
I'm gonna
on Secret Alley.
It's a secret. Wasn't really.
Get moving. Can't be sharing secrets.
That's the one.
Could you give us 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
If you can make it 5 minutes and we're still here, you can beat us with that balloon.
It's called Drug Alley. Come on.
No drugs in Drug Alley.
Wait, that doesn't make sense. You're promoting it.
It's called Tax Evasion Alley. Come on.
Just pay your share.
Oh my God, it's a bowling alley. What am I supposed to do?
What do you think you're doing here in Baton Alley? Alright, just take a look ahead at the chart. And read the 4 letters that you see on line 6.
A, B, C, D.
Nope. Now, I don't know how to explain this to you, but you have a condition called incongruous islets.
That does not even sound like a diagnosis. It sounds like adjectives describing my eyes.
Who's the ophthalmologist?
Listening to the gastric work going on here.
Thank you.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You've got what we call a wobbly gut. It's all your insides.
That sounds like more like an insult rather than a diagnosis.
Take a deep breath.
Okay. Can I exhale or what?
Yeah, I've already listened to all I needed to hear. You've got breathy, wheeze. It's a rare condition.
We zoom in on the stethoscope.
It's double billed.
It's got a Ramones sticker on it.
A kid took a Sharpie to the plastic listening part and wrote a smiley face on it.
It has all these different buttons like hanging all the way off of it. There's 8 of them.
There's foam on the tip of it that's ripped off.
It has a setting so you can put it on auto-tune.
The doctor's last name is engraved onto the side of the bell.
The earpieces are from 2 different models.
The doc is gonna be pissed.
Jesus. Yeah, he needed that gerbil alive.
I'm on my last.
That thing's fast.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, have you got Percival? I need him in 5 minutes.
Everything's fine, Doc.
Yeah, we're just combing them.
Yeah.
We're pep talking him. Don't worry, I'll be Percival.
You'll be good.
Set up the expensive machinery.
Yeah, Percival, get the hell. Percival, if you do so again, I swear to God.
I want to kill
Hey,
you.
boys. Looks like you've lost yourself a gerbil.
We can try that.
I've come across many gerbils in my day.
Wait, did you just come across them, or did you actually find them and...
Like you come across one recently?
Do you?
Oh, I come across them all the time. Day to day, sometimes one, sometimes many, sometimes none.
Carry a message to Percival the gerbil corpse.
Oh, I'm not a mailman. I'm just a nice, calm janitor.
That was non-help. I mean, that was the opposite of helpful.
I actually put a gerbil tree down and he just swept it up.
And he knew it was a gerbil tree too. He's like, I'm
He's
gonna
working
continue to
against
be
us.
on.
Not to mention, Percival left a trail of gerbil poop. We're never gonna find it because he just cleaned it all.
You know, that janitor looked
just thought of
suspicious to me.
Hey, Janitor.
Hey, janitor.
Continuing my day. May or may not have seen a gerbil.
What?
What?
Did you just say you saw one or you didn't see one?
It's possible either way.
Did you tell us?
Well, if one could tell, then one could tell not.
I don't think that doesn't make any sense at all!
Gentlemen, I need that gerbil. It holds the key to curing numerous diseases.
Oh my God! Okay!
Give him a minute. He's having a problem.
I'm telling you right now, Wendell, if it all goes down, I am not covering for you on this one.
gerbil's like blood?
I can take
Jesus Christ, Wendell!
That works with the rat. That only works with the rat. It doesn't work with the gerbil.
Oh shit, a rat.
Ask him if he knows what Percival is.
Have the rat find Percival for us!
That's frickin' Heinrich.
Heinrich?
I lost him last week.
Tell Heinrich to talk to Percival.
Tell you what, I've seen many things in my day, but that, sir, is no gerbil.
Gentlemen, the Nobel Prize Commission is waiting.
Fine person.
Can it be any sort of rodent?
No, it needs to be Percival the gerbil. You know this.
I can hear Percival running around. It's driving me nuts! He's here, Percival's here. Is he crawling around or is he laughing at us?
Well, we've annoyed him quite a bit. How your readings coming?
Oh, fantastic. If you take a look at the chart over here, you can see I've clearly mapped their agitation levels on the y-axis. Now, I have a theory that their stress hormones will be enough so much that we can create a serum that will do something. I don't know. We're
My electrodes itch.
Oh! Why is the top of my skull off?
What? We're gonna need the collecting lot for this one.
I'm sorry, I evacuated.
Whoa!
Just gonna go ahead and squeeze this out in the other room.
Are you good with that?
Gentlemen, I have all three of your mothers on the phone. I'm prepared to tell them how disappointed I am in you. If you don't...
I see. You'll see that I'm so sad.
Well, Harris, you had all day. We need one applicant to fill that job.
I saw at least 30 potential people come in today, and well, frankly, they were all fantastic.
I mean, you're the one who picked those 30.
Oh, they were well-spoken, articulate, very clear communicators, perfect for upper management.
Great.
The reason I feel like I'm the right applicant to make it to the next step is because I have a passion for the food
I'm going to
service.
stop you right there.
Well, I was just...
No. Let me just...
I just have
No.
this...
If you could just... If you wouldn't mind, just...
profound.
I'm sorry, the position has been filled. Thank you so much. We'll keep you on file, don't worry. Well, I think I've found our man. He's completely everything that we've been looking for.
Great.
He's perfect for upper management. He responded very well to the interview.
You know, these are all words. Just tell me. Just get down to it.
I'll just show you. If you would, Ronald. This is Ronald. I found him out back. 30 applicants walked into my office, and he was the only one. Now, Peter, that's not just upper management material. This man could be partner in 3 years.
It's just wonderful. I mean, I've never seen an applicant quite like this. Honestly, it's just... You found a winner.
We found a winner. Because off to climb the corporate ladder.
Such a go-getter. Just excusing himself. Go start new ventures and help out this company.
I'm telling you, this is going to turn Facebook completely around. We're going to be back on top.
Slide my desk around here and...
I'm going to rearrange this chair. You think we've grown too big?
It's hard to say. I mean, yes, we're big.
Yes, clearly.
We started small. We're big now. We haven't really changed our HR abilities
No.
since the get-go.
Oh, we've been hiring the best people.
I mean, only the best. I mean, I can't think of one failure based off of our hiring practices.
Not a single one. I mean, it's market tested.
Mm-hmm.
The figures are proof enough.
Yeah.
You know, maybe, and I'm just going to throw this out there, and if you don't like it, you don't have to take it, but if you do like it, I'd love some.
I'm listening.
Employees who talk sometimes. Now, you know what? That's just me sputtering.
I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna listen.
I just feel like, what do people like these days? Words.
I'm Kirstie Alley. Where am I supposed to do it?
Miss Alley, if I could have a word. Oh my God. No. No, Mike, this can't be happening. We broke another one!
Sorry, we'll take you off the Twitter.
I'm sorry. I'm humiliated. I'm embarrassed.
It's all right. It's all right.
I stuck my neck
Facebook's
out.
been around for 14 years. We're bound to have one failure.
That's true. I really feel like I tried this time, you know?
My typing has a delay on its side.
I love how you got it in surround sound, though.
Yeah, that's what you get when you work for Facebook.
That and everybody's personal information.
It's because of the alley run before.
Yeah.
I was going to have the alley run, and I thought of it. And then I said, Melissa, hang on to this. You'll know it. And then I was wrong.
I don't want to say anything, I was going to ask you.
Sure. I just wanted to get it out. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, no, I did it.
It was a good idea.
It was a good idea. I know, I did it, and then it was white.
I can't stop this feeling.
I'm just glad to save that to the last show.
But I didn't want to.
Well, honestly, I feel like I missed something when you did that. Like when you came in and did that, I was over there going, like, shit, I need to support her, but I have no idea where the fuck she's coming from.
That's fair. 'Cause
And then I remembered that we had an alley run.
Yeah, I knew.
Hooked on the feeling. Yeah.
That's all I knew.
It would have been great during the run, though. That would've
I
killed.
know, and I was trying to.
That was better than bowling alley. But
That wasn't a popular comment.
well, I think if Chris Alley come up during the run, it would have been funnier than.
Oh, it would have been funnier then.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
But I mean, it would have been funnier than all the other stuff.
No, I just missed the window.
I object to any bowling alley hate.
Townspeople don't like any bowling alley.
That's yeah. Are you tagging me out or just patting me on the back?
Get out of here, John.
Get out!
Hey, I just want you to.
It's my last show. It's good.
I don't want you to feel bad about any move you did because I guess when another man touches my nose.
So, tell
I'm
me
next.
Okay, you can start.
Not ready yet.
That's fine. You just talk when you're ready.
It's my turn.
I'm just ready to
I'm
listen.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm all ears.
Give me a minute.
I can't wait for you to start. I just want to hear what you have to say. Just tell me about your day. You got a new manager? What was she or he like? When you're ready.
Yeah, just feeling a lot of pressure now. I wasn't before. This is biding my time. Now you've like necessarily. I'm trying to.
Did I upset you? I'm sorry. Do you want me to move?
This is turn. Okay, it's my turn. Will you let me go? I'm gonna go.
I can't.
It's just like being at McDonald's. It's like make a decision already. I am. Give me a minute. Maybe I don't want a fillet of fish this time. Maybe I want a chicken sandwich. I don't know. Fucking decisions.
Well, you can have it your way.
God, that's Burger King.
Whatever you want.
Don't make fast food references. You know what? That drives me nuts. My day sucked.
Just run for the border.
I
just love you and I just.
Cut it out, man. That just totally broke me.
Well, thanks for telling me your day sucked at least.
I just got better now. That takes all the hatred I was building up for this new manager, and now you like totally wiped it away. Now I gotta start again on Monday. You know how hard it is to hate someone when they're new?
Oh. Most of you don't seem to hate me today.
Yeah, it's only 8:15.
Thank you. You see Garrison?
Yeah.
Just seemed actually kind to me.
Garrison works Sunday.
There's those reports you want.
Never noticed the pages.
Yeah. It's like,
Oh no. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, come on. No, don't. No. Don't do no. Well, oh, come on. Excessive.
is that as gross in the front as it was in the back?
It's
Does it look pretty nasty?
It's upsetting. It's
Yeah.
upsetting.
I'm really finding it really hard to hate you.
Well, morale's been really low. Which I think it's affecting sales.
Yeah, I think that too. Yeah.
There's that one guy that still seems to like you. So we want to get him angry again
Okay.
at you.
At me.
Because when they're all on the same page,
We're all on the same page.
at least they have a common
Not
enemy.
Yep.
And
I
then,
just gotta
then
make
they'll work
myself
together.
The common enemy.
And you're.
Tag new chow.
Missed the chair. What? You want to see me?
Yes, I
All right, everybody, the Wet Willy didn't work. We need to think of new, creative ideas on how to get this person mad at you.
I know, I really thought the lid.
So what are we thinking?
Family insults.
I feel like we have to incorporate raw shrimp into something.
Oh, I don't want shrimp in my pants.
You know,
Shrimp in his pants.
I bet you he would hate it if we hid like rodents in his stuff.
Oh, definitely.
Any specific kind of rodents?
I was thinking gerbils. Gerbils.
Yeah, gerbils.
I mean, if he's gonna hate me specifically, it's gonna be something with me, right? And that's,
Well, yeah,
What if he
that's a
just
very
ends
good
up-
point. It
what
could
if he
just
just
be an
ends up-
arbitrary. It needs to come.
well, like I said, what if he ends up just hating gerbils?
Right. Like, no, I mean, it can't be. It needs
You
to
know,
be
or like
directed
now
from
he can't
her.
eat
Good
shrimp.
point, good point.
Yeah.
You know?
Can't be hard.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Is that how you spell arbitrary?
It's an A.
Cross your T's.
Oh, excuse me. Can I get my lunch out of the...
No!
No!
Whoa! Excuse me.
Oh, that's right,
I
sorry.
said no.
She said no.
It was all her.
And we were like, he should totally get his lunch. She was like, no.
No.
I'd be mad at her if I
I'd
were
be
you.
specifically
I
mad at her.
hate her.
She's the boss. I was interrupting the meeting. I'm sorry. Sorry. It's spelled arbitrary wrong.
It didn't go as well as I was hoping.
You really gotta get more aggressive.
Yeah. Okay.
You really do.
Okay,
I mean,
and the
make-
gerbil idea, am I tossing them at him?
Why do all your bosses keep calling? They just keep saying, hate your boss. Hate your boss.
I don't know. I feel really bad for her because I feel like everyone is against her. So like if there's a natural tendency to just kind of be on her side and give her an ally, you know?
You're so nice.
But yeah,
Okay, guys, I got the gerbil.
Great.
My cousin's a doctor. His name's Percy. He's on loan for a couple of weeks. So here's a little guy for you.
Oh, that's a live one! Here we go.
Okay, everybody stop.
Okay.
I'm out of breath.
You're out of breath.
Okay, all right, let's get some air. Speaking of, air holes for the gerbil.
Yes.
Air holes. So, okay, quick question. Shouldn't I be holding the gerbil?
I mean, probably like by the time that you do the handoff.
Yes. Yes.
You all just want to turn with the gerbil.
He's cute.
We're just unsure that of your ability to hold the gerbil.
What I mean.
Frankly, I have to be responsible for him.
All right.
In the long run, it's my
I'm gonna-
cousin's.
All right, okay, all right.
Right, but we don't know when he's going to come, so maybe she should have the gerbil now.
All right, let's just.
Okay,
let's
agreed.
I'm just gonna.
Okay,
Wait.
all right,
Okay,
okay, all right,
Three.
Okay.